What you're about to see is one of Mercedes-Benz's most advanced manufacturing facilities, and very few people ever get the chance to see what happens inside. Welcome to the new Body Shop South at the Mercedes-Benz Kecskemét plant, where cutting-edge engineering, robotics, and automation come together to build the next generation of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Everything starts with raw sheets of steel that are transformed into a complete vehicle body through an incredibly precise manufacturing process. Hundreds of industrial robots work together in perfect synchronization, performing thousands of welds every single day with a level of accuracy that is almost impossible to achieve by hand. Every robotic movement is programmed down to the millimeter, ensuring maximum precision, structural strength, and exceptional build quality. As each vehicle body moves through the production line, specialized robotic stations complete different tasks in just a matter of seconds. Advanced sensors and intelligent cameras constantly inspect every operation, making sure every component meets Mercedes-Benz's strict quality standards. The entire production process is monitored in real time, allowing engineers to detect even the smallest imperfections before the vehicle continues to the next stage. This combination of robotics, artificial intelligence, and engineering allows Mercedes-Benz to build vehicles faster, safer, and with remarkable consistency. Factories like this represent the future of automotive manufacturing, where humans and machines work together to achieve incredible levels of efficiency and precision. Behind every finished Mercedes-Benz is an enormous amount of innovation, engineering, and technology that most people never have the opportunity to witness. Every weld, every inspection, and every robotic movement brings the vehicle one step closer to becoming a finished Mercedes-Benz ready for roads all around the world. Now here's a question for you. Would you work in a factory like this, or would you rather drive the finished car? Tell us your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoy exclusive factory tours, automotive engineering, and the latest vehicle technology, subscribe to AutoMotions and join us for more behind-the-scenes content from the world's biggest car manufacturers.